Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make deep house in the style of selected. This is some examples of what we're going to make today. As always guys, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support this free piece. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums.
Because kicks are good.
Now guys, let's move to percussions. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but maybe we need to add
another one. And another one. Another one. And another one.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright guys, so now let's add some shakers. Let's see how they sound. Now let's hear them alone. We have 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. Cool, so now let's move to the open hats. Let's see how they sound.
Sounds cool.
Great, so now let's add closed heads. Let's hear them alone. The last layer we're adding to the drums is a simple fill. Let's hear how it sounds.
Very cool. Very cool. That's cool.
And now guys, let's hear the drums all together.
Alright, I think we're good here. I think that's enough.
Cool guys, so now let's move to one of my favorite elements of this track, which is bass. Let's hear how it sounds. Now let's hear it alone. As you can see, this is just a simple patch of serum. Another very important thing which I'm doing with this bass is automating its filter cutoff, which is making bass a lot more interesting to listen to.
Nice.
Alright, so now let's add a sub bass. Let's hear how it sounds. Now let's hear it alone. As you can see, it's just a simple sine wave with some distortion from triple oscillator. In order to make the bass even more interesting and powerful, I'm also adding another synth shot layer. Let's hear it together with the bass. And now let's hear it alone.
Much better.
Now let's add the main analog lead, which is not even analog, but I'm calling it analog. Yeah, anyway, let's hear how it sounds.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, sorry for that, but now let's hear it alone. This lead is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. We have the main sawy type of layer. And then I'm layering it with a more bassy type of layer to make it even punchier. Alright guys, so now let's move to one of the other main elements of this track, which is obviously the vocal. Let's hear how it sounds alone.
I'm fed up, had enough, I'm so alone. It's never enough, never enough.
And then it goes on and on like that. In the drop, instead, I cutted it out in order to make this cool vocal chop, so yeah, let's hear it alone.
That's nice.
Now obviously guys, another super important part when it comes to 2021 selected house is surely the ambience part. So now let's hear it all together. So there is a lot of layers, let's hear them one by one. We're starting off with this very basic harp. Then we have this kind of stringish, padish element. Then we have a classic string, a pad, another type of drone, this kind of drone once again, this metallic drone, then we have this super cool ambience effects which actually comes from Korg M1, and yeah, it's just very cool. Then we have the blurred version of the lead that we had in the drop. Then we just have some background ambience. And as always, some violent crackle.
That's cool.
The last element that we have in this project is obviously effects. Let's hear how they sound. Alright, cool, so now let's lap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this project. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.
I'm fed up, had enough. I'm so alone. It's never enough.